Hey, what's happening, everyone? JayShockblast here, and check it out. Today, I have a special package from the folks at Entertainment Earth. If you don't know, you can use code JayShock at Entertainment Earth, and you can save 10% off all in-stock items and free shipping over $39. You can also go to ee.toys/JayShock, and you can get yourself those discounts on all things in stock. So here's the thing. They've actually sent me two packages. One of them was crazy. We're going to take a look at it in a moment. I've got the picture of the package somewhere like up there, all right? Just in the interest of space and time, because the boxes are big. They're super well packed. It's going to be a hassle. I want to make this as quick as possible to kind of get to the good stuff, right? So we're going to do a little bit of cutting and everything just so that we can do that. So let's just get right to it. They sent me one cool package and then also gave me $100 to buy whatever I wanted. And I'm very excited with the stuff that I got. So let's see what they sent me and exactly what you can get with $100. Pretty cool. All right, so the shipping and the packaging, fantastic. Everything showed up very safe. And this is, I actually don't know how much this costs. I want to say it's like at least 120, but I'll have, oh my God, the packaging is amazing. I'll have the listing on the side showing exactly what it retails for. Right here, I'm gonna do a separate unboxing. This is from Mezco. This is the 112 Wolverine. It comes in like a special tin packaging. I don't have many Mezco products. This might even actually be my first. I think I got my brother Aquaman for Christmas once. I'm gonna do a separate unboxing video for this, but already I'm a super huge fan because of the packaging. And yeah, man, we're gonna open up this in a little bit separately. So that was a special package that they sent me in collaboration with Mezco. So we're gonna do that unboxing in just a moment. So now let's dig into the box of stuff I ordered for $100, roughly. All right, I just want to say with tax, these 5 items came to $112.94. That's with my free shipping and everything. First thing right here, shout outs to Darkstorm. This is my happy face. It's Garfield magnet. All right, this is $5.99. Darkstorm on my Discord absolutely loves Garfield. So I just want to remember him every time I look at my refrigerator, and we've got Garfield. It's Garfin time. All right, next item. Again, I want to point out just how perfectly everything is packaged. This is a Funko Pop, okay? A lot of companies ship Funko Pops terribly. If you've ever ordered from Walmart, Target, Best Buy, you know it's a crapshoot. Look at all this packaging. It's safe. It's even bubble wrapped, okay? One of my favorite Apex Legends, we have the Revenant Funko Pop with absolutely fantastic packaging. It came to me perfect, safe. I keep most of my Funko Pops in the box. So we've got the Revenant Funko Pop, $11.99, and I'm super hyped for this one. You know, it's funny. I don't actually enjoy playing Revenant as much as I just enjoy him as a character. He's so dark and I don't know, just he's my style, you know. All right, next item. Oh my gosh, we're gonna open these straight up, okay? First up, it is from McFarlane Toys, Kyle Rayner. My favorite DC Comics character is Atrocitus. This is the Build a Figure Atrocitus wave. And I have 3 out of the 4 figures for Atrocitus, okay? I'm gonna go right down here, and we've got the arms with Black Lantern Batman. I hope I have a head. I have the legs with Black Lantern Superman. These are $24.99 each, and they did not have Deathstorm. He was a pre-order, so I would have gotten Deathstorm, and I have him we're going to get him eventually, because the head of Atrocitus, the head and shoulders of Atrocitus Build-A-Figure come with him. So Deathstorm obviously is the most popular of the 4. So basically, if you're not following these McFarlane figures, you get each one, and they come with a piece. And as you can see, Blackest Night Superman comes with the legs. You got the arms coming with Batman, and then the torso comes with Kyle Rayner. And I'm going to be surprised. I thought if they would have sold everything for anyone, it would have been Kyle Rayner. Kyle Rayner is probably the most popular Green Lantern, I would imagine. So basically, that's what we got. So let's dig into these and assemble Blackest Night Atrocitus. Just gonna rip these right open. Now, normally I would leave these in the package, but I need that Atrocitus, okay? So we're just gonna like savagely rip these apart. It's so great that they packaged it so nicely, because now I'm just savaging the packaging, right? Just so I can get in here. These McFarlane figures are fantastic. Oh, and look at that. It even has like a card inside with a base. So I'm gonna have to make sure I get back into there. And as you can see, we've got Blackest Night Superman. Blackest Night is my favorite DC Comics storyline by a lot, all right? And these are super premium figures. One thing that my brother doesn't love about them, and I kind of agree, is I kind of wish they were like 6th scale. Not 6th scale, but like 6 inches, so that they would be, here's the other leg for Atrocitus, so that they were kind of in scale with the Marvel Legends, just because on the shelf it would look so much better. Listen to all this crinkling. There are very few better and funner sounds than the plastic. The struggle is real. There's like lots of barriers here. All over the feet. I understand the purpose, but it doesn't make it any less annoying. Anyway, so here's Blackest Night Superman. All right. If you don't know the storyline for Blackest Night, essentially Necron is the Black Lantern, and the Black Lanterns represent death, and he is taking over the galaxy like a plague. All right, so hopefully we can open these other ones a little bit quicker. Maybe I'll just do some jump skips and everything, but where's the fun in that? All right, so the tape holding these things together is crazy. I will say, shout out to McFarlane for not getting rid of their windows, because to me, and again, another stand and card in there. To me, part of the fun of having these and keeping them in the package is actually being able to see them. Oh my God, it's so loud. All right, in the interest of time, I just went ahead and skipped to getting him out of the package. This is the Blackest Night Batman, and he's actually pretty dope. You know, they've done like a new run of Deceased where they're doing all the zombie stuff without the lanterns, and obviously you've got the 2 arms right here. All right, and now we're gonna dig into Kyle Rayner, and I'm just gonna kind of skip ahead to having everything out of the package. All right, so we got Kyle Rayner out of the package right here, and he kind of comes in a cool pose that I didn't want to like take him out of. He has a very unique lantern outfit, and he's got his fist ring action right there. He does come with a sword, kind of like a Buster sword. Go ahead and put that in his hand. All right, so there you go. There's his sword. And then he has his little lantern right there. And that is that. But also, we've got the torso for Atrocitus. And I really wish I had his top. I really wish we had Deathstorm, who's, again, I understand he's the most popular character of the wave, but we'll get Deathstorm because look at this. You just basically pop everything in, and we have the headless Atrocitus. So basically Deathstorm comes with a top piece and then Atrocitus' head, and then you've got the sickest Atrocitus figure ever. For scale, it's actually the scale because, you know, Atrocitus is bigger than Kyle Rayner. I would imagine Kyle Rayner's about 6 feet, 6'3", somewhere in that range, and Atrocitus is probably about 8 feet tall, maybe 8.5. So I can't wait to find a Deathstorm or get mine that I have pre-ordered from Entertainment Earth. So all this awesome stuff from Entertainment Earth. I am realizing, though, I didn't take a picture of those in the package, so I'm kind of regretting ripping them apart like a savage now. But remember, ee.toys/JShock. Anything that you get 10% off in-stock items and free shipping over $39. And that's that. Pretty awesome stuff. I appreciate you guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope I edited it nicely so that so that it was a little more interesting. And thank you, Entertainment Earth. And I leave you with this. Oh my God, there was so much stuff in the package. I forgot that I had this too. This cool framed picture of Guardians of the Galaxy #1 with Nova right here. Honestly, the only reason I got it, and this was, I don't even remember how much this was. It was $19.99. So there you go. Now I leave you with this. Haha, and shout out to Darkstorm. Now whenever I open my refrigerator, I'll remember you.